Now let's get you to breaking news affecting your health. A major spike in flu cases has doctors across Virginia worried about a rise for patients.
The Commonwealth is on the verge of moving into the very high category. 10 on your sides. Angela Bohan joins us with more on this spike in sickness. Angela.
There is a decent chance right now someone you know is sick, and the numbers released today from the CDC, well, it's a troubling trend, putting Virginia in the high category, as you said, for the flu. I talked with a woman who said she's been sick almost all week, and she went for about a week, she said, even Christmas, and she wants others to take it seriously.
It started with the feeling like you got hit by a Mack truck, severe sore throat, coughing, stuffy head, stuffy nose.
Because she's feeling sick, Sherry Sneed did not want to talk on camera, but we had a phone call, and what she described did not sound pleasant. So you were sick at Christmas?
Yeah, I didn't even have a Christmas. I've still not opened my presents.
Sneed says because she has a weakened immune system, she got a flu shot several weeks ago. And though she ended up getting sick, doctors advise getting the vaccine can still help provide some protection.
We are seeing it's about 30% effective, 25 to 30%. And shoot, if it's for me, I'd rather be 30% protected than not at all. And it can help you come from getting very sick, but it's still worth getting that flu shot.
New data shows Virginia is now in the high category for flu cases. North Carolina faring even worse. It is in the very high category. And the Commonwealth is reporting more than 24% of emergency department visits are for respiratory issues, something doctors tell us should be taken seriously. As for Sneed, she consulted with a doctor over the phone and said her recovery has been tricky.
Yesterday afternoon, I said, I think I'm turning the corner. And then I don't know what happened overnight, but I woke up this morning feeling like I felt, Friday or Saturday, like I was going in the reverse.
And remember, we haven't even hit the month that is typically the worst for flu, that being February. In addition to the flu shot, it's recommended that, of course, you wash your hands frequently, but also stay home if you're not feeling well and avoid crowds. So that could have some of you at home rethinking plans to bring in the new year. Angela Bohan, 10 on your side.